Alright, now I know this is not about the civil service exam, but I didn't want you guys to miss out on an opportunity to get one of these for yourself. So let's talk about the Darna Funko Pop.
Darna!
Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I know this is not my usual content. I usually make educational and motivational videos, pero this video right here is something very special to me. And like I said sa intro, ayoko ma-miss nyo yung opportunity to get one of these. Limited edition kasi siya. Ito ay Darna Funko Pop. So, if hindi kayo aware dun sa Funko and sa Funko Pops, basically, collectible company sila. They make figures like this out of vinyl. And they sell it all over the world. Pero, ang thing is, most of these, limited yung number nila. It's also a good way to invest if you think about it. Kasi if you buy one of these figures, usually after 2 to 3 years, it increases in value. Lalo na yung Darna kasi limited siya at saka Philippine release lang siya. And of course, kasi ito yung brand ng pagkabata ko eh. 90s baby ako eh. So, I grew up with Darna. One of whom I actually met. So, si Miss Nanette Medved po. I think if you saw my vlog about the YouTube Fan Fest na Mom's Edition, you probably saw that, or if you follow me on Instagram, I'll just post our picture din right here. So, Darna is a big deal sa akin. Kasi diba, growing up, wala naman tayo masyadong mga heroines na gano'n. If you think about it, wala mga characters. Usually, ang meron tayo mga male characters. But in the Philippines, it's different. Kasi meron tayo agad na si Darna. So, I really wanted to get one of these. And nagkataon, my opportunity to get this. And nakapila kami and nakuha ko ito. Okay? So, a little bit of a story then. And I want to teach you guys how to get your very own. Para habang meron pang stocks, makakuha na kayo. Kasi madali nga siyang maubos.
Darna!
So, before we go to that, I just want to give a shout out dito. This is Kapitana from Happy Garahe. So, hindi nila ako binayaran for this. Pero, if there's one thing that I want to push forward in, it's about supporting your local artists. And with me, kasi I'm not big on paintings right now when you talk about collecting art. Kasi wala akong paglalagyan, maliit yung kwarto ko. Pero one thing I'm passionate about is collectibles and toys. So, ito, locally made siya. So, ang ganda-ganda niya, di ba? They're actually a company based in Cebu. So, parang artists company or artists guild sila. And they made this. So, limited run din yan. I got it from their partner store sa Cebu when I was there. So, yeah, just maybe you can watch yung upcoming na Cebu vlog natin. When it comes out, I don't know when. Maybe baka next year na yun. Pero anyway, this is Kapitana. So, I'll post their link din sa Instagram nila sa baba if you're into that. Kasi, honestly, one thing people don't know about collectibles and toys is that over time, their price also increases. So, for example, itong Kapitana, limited run yan kasi sa Philippine Toy-Con lang yan available. So, syempre, over time, di ba, as tumatanda siya, nag-increase din siya ng value. So, if you're into that then, that's how it is. And ganun din dito for Funko Pop toys. And we will unbox this. Actually, hindi ko pa siya nalalabas sa box. I'll show you guys kung na-issue niya later. Pero before we do that, just a bit of fun intro on how you can get one of yours. Now, this right here, this is a white card from Big Boy's Toy Store. It's one of the stores na nagbibenta ng Funko Pops here in the Philippines. And the last time that I was there, I got enough to get one of these. Ito yung parang front of the line pass nila. So you don't have to fall in line dun sa common area to get your Darna Pop. So nagamit ko naman siya kanina. They just sign it. Tapos sabi nila meron pa daw special access to for another pop someday. So if you have one of these, didiretso ka na dun sa pila. Hindi ka napipila dun sa pang lahat na pila. Pero even if you don't have one of these, it's okay. All you have to do is to go to Glorieta 2 sa activity center or activity area nila. Doon sa malapit sa concierge, sa malapit sa entrance, doon sa Palm Drive na entrance. Pwede kayong maghanap doon or magtanong-tanong kayo. Hanapin niyo yung sign na nakalagay na Darna line starts here or end of the line. And then just ask people there kung saan kayo pipila. Kasi kanina, when we were there, August 2 ko to sinushoot, August 2 ko to nakuha. Maraming tao yung nakapila naman kahit na wala sila ng ganito. Maraming nakakuha. In fact, maraming nakakuha ng multiples kasi ginagawa nila, pipila sila, tapos babalik din ulit sila sa pila. Now, I didn't do that kasi I really needed to go home na kasi hinihintay ako ni Hailey. Pero a lot of other people did that. So, I'm hoping, kung mapapanood nyo to, hopefully ma-release ko siya ng August 3rd ng morning. May chance pa kayo para pumila at makuha nyo yung Funko Pop na to. This actually costs 800 pesos. Pero again, over time, dahil limited run yan, you can expect it to increase. Pero don't just buy it for the money. Honestly, ako, hindi ko naman to ibebenta. This is just for my personal collection. Kasi nga, again, I love Darna and I love what she stands for. So, alam mo yun, yung idea lang na hero complex lang na someone na as plain na as Narda can turn into this. Parang femme fatale na ass kicker pagdating sa gabi pag kailangan siya. So anyway, so this is my Darna. And I also got a few things that I wanted to show you guys. I got these two. Darna! When I was still young, well, younger, I already followed Tokidoki and what their products are. Nakakatuwa kasi nakalagay sa likod. Sabi, the unicornos were once simple little ponies that were out trotting and wandered into a magic waterfall. Passing through the waterfall, the ponies transformed into unicorns and found a hidden magic kingdom. Tapos, nakalagay sa ilalim, this is not a toy, this is collectible art. Because that's basically what it is. So, random mystery boxes siya. Iba-iba yung laman. And I'm going to open these two with you guys. So, dun sa gilid, nakalagay yung mga posible mong makuha. There are two ito tawag nila chaser or chase na unicorns. Ito yung mga rare. And of course, it'll be great if I can get one of the rare unicorns. Pero I'm going to be super happy if I get Robolina and Izumi. Yun yung pinaka gusto ko eh. Yung si Super Panda and Bamboo, pwede rin. Pero yun yung pinaka top ko si Robolina kasi cute siya kasi medyo semi-transparent. Ang alam ko, translucent to tapos robotic yung dating niya. Okay, so we have two chances for that. Let's start with this first one. Sad lang kasi yung box, hindi mo siya pwede i-seal uli. Which actually makes sense. So you can buy this from the booth ng Big Boys. There are also a few na nakalabas na. So if you don't want to risk na, alam niyo yun, na makakita ng ganito. Kaya lang sa akin kasi, dahil, yun nga, syempre gusto mo nung chase at saka yung part ng thrill, yung opening a mystery box. So kinuha ko siyang mystery box. Pero you can select from yung mga nakabukas na rin if you are just trying to complete the set. Yan. So, ganyan siya. Sa loob may parang foil. Check. Ayan, nandito yung unicorn. Meron ding card. Ayan. So, same thing na nakalagay sa labas. Tapos, nakalagay din yung meaning ng Tokidoki. So, Tokidoki means sometimes in Japanese. So, yun. Siyempre, sometimes kasi nga chance. Usually, yung mga items. So, let's open this. Ay! Yung magbubukas ako, lagi may malalaglag. Oh! This wasn't what I wanted. But it's still cute. Ito yung si Sliders, if I'm not mistaken. Yan, si Slider. Kasi, kaya siya Slider, if you don't know. Kasi mukha siyang burger. Well, pero ang ganda ng artwork, right? So, yun yung thing with Tokidoki dolls. Kasi, art nga siya talaga. Kasi, di ba, if you think about it, unicorn na burger siya. Ang cute, no? Imaginein mo, di ba? Kung baga sa barkada ninyo, di ba, yung dumaan kayo sa waterfall, tapos yung ibang mga friends nagkaroon ng pakpak, nagkaroon ng magical na mga things sa kanila, tapos ikaw yung mahilig sa burger, so ito yung magiging kalalabasan mo. So, ito si Slider, so siya yung first. Lagyan natin siya dito. Tcharan! Pag ganyan, mas maganda pag naka-side view eh. Yan. So, we have one more chance. I'm still hoping for a Robolina or a Chase. Pero, wag lang Slider, kasi ayoko ng multiples. Pero I think wala namang multiples kasi galing sila sa isang box. So, pag sa isang box kasi, ano yun eh, walang multiples doon kasi unique bawat box. Ang alam ko Kasama sa experience talaga sa blind bags yung ano eh, yung sana makuha mo yung gusto mo. Ay, bakit slider uli? This is so unfair. Anyway, so dalawa siyang slider. Bakit ganun? Bakit ganun? Ang alam ko pag mystery box, hindi pwedeng multiples eh. Pero anyway, baka siguro nakalog na yun. Pero okay lang. Okay lang din na kambal sila kasi kambal naman kami ng twin sister ko. I'll probably give one of these to her. So, pair pa rin sila, no? Total, mahilig din naman kami sa burger pareho. Anyway, so yan na. Dalawa na sila. Dalawang slider. Sayang. Gusto ko sana si Robolina eh. Tinan nyo. This is what I wanted. Either that or this or this. Pero well. But again, if you don't want the experience of risking nung magkaroon ng multiples, bilhin mo na lang yung naka-display. Pwede rin naman. Kaya lang, yun na. Ako wala na akong chance kasi wala na akong time. But anyway, they're still cute. They're still collectible. And you can actually trade them. So if there are collectors na nagko-collect din ng set, pwede mo sila i-trade for that. So, yeah. And actually, the price for these do go high kasi may demand sa international market. But I won't go into that too much kasi hindi ko naman sila ibebenta. So, dito na tayo kay Darna. Darna! Ito na. So, as you can see right here, and may sticker siya ng Big Boys Toy Store kasi exclusive yan sa kanila. So, let's do a quick flip lang muna nung nakalagay sa box. So, ito, nakalagay yung name, Darna. Tapos, sa kabilang side, yan yung artwork na Pop. And then, sa back side, which is really cute, is this. Okay? So, yung pose niya, yung pose ng Pop is actually taken from a panel dun sa Mars Ravelo na comics na Darna. Tapos, meron ka rin dito na Darna peeking out dun sa taas. Okay? So, common naman yan sa mga Funkos that you have this. Pop Comics yung kanyang category. Tapos, again, exclusive siya for Big Boys Toy Store. So, yeah, nakakatuwa. So, it's a joint project actually for Ravelo Comics Universe and ABS-CBN. So, di ba, if you're not aware of it, they're trying to build up yung next na Darna movie and kaka-announce lang din ng susunod na Darna. So, medyo tahi-tahi naman yung mga pangyayari. Okay, so buksan na natin siya. And like any self-respecting Funko Pop collector, sa ilalim natin bubuksan. Yan, wala namang crease, so safe pa naman tayo dyan. And then we'll pull her up. Alright. So, bakit ko siya ilalabas? Kasi, again, this is just going to be for me. I don't sell my Pops. And so, ito yung, wow. Yeah. There are a few things I love about this Pop. So, let me show you. Yan. So, first thing is the metallic na parang paint dun sa taas. So, I wasn't expecting na it's going to be this glowy or this gold. Kasi usually, pag common Pops, plain lang yung paint. So, ito maganda naman siya. Tapos you have yung pinaka-emblem niya dyan. Kitang-kita naman. Tapos again, the pose. So, one thing I love about the pose is yung parang power pose ni Darna. So, yan. Consistent naman siya. The hair, the details sa hair is also very nice. So, it kind of reminds you of yung mga Merida or Wonder Woman ng mga Pops. Yan. Tapos yan, naka-power pose siya. So, a few things about Darna that I love or, yun nga, I saw a few, mga trivia din dun sa booth nila. Ito daw, the reason why ganyan yung emblem niya kasi si Mars Ravelo wanted to be part of the Air Force pero hindi siya pwede kasi because of his eyesight. So, medyo shared na thing yun about the two of us. One thing din na hindi ako pwedeng maging ever is piloto dahil malabo yung mata ko. It also comes with a stand. So, you can put yung kanyang hole sa kanyang foot dito. So, it'll stand better. Yan. Tapos, di ba may bahag si Darna, no? So, very Filipino din yun. Yan. So, meron siyang stars, meron siyang red na costume all around. And another thing people don't know that much about Darna is that you can't really say naman na rip-off siya ni Wonder Woman kasi ibang-iba yung kwento nila. Yung origin story nila is very different. If you think about it, yung kwento ni Darna is closer to heroes like Shazam or basta may transformation. Kasi si Darna, di ba, plain person siya tapos parang pinili lang siya tapos nagiging si Narda siya. Ganun yung kwento niya. Para siyang Green Lantern or Shazam. Parang mix nung dalawang yun. So, yung bato ni Narda, parang naipapasa din siya yung power na yun. So, ang novel lang din ng idea na yun. So, hindi siya Amazon or anything like that. Simpleng tao siya, which is always good. Kasi the idea is, any person can be a hero, di ba? Kung may busila kang puso, yun, you can be a hero. There you go. So, that is Darna. Darna! So, she'll live in my collection for the rest of her life. But I do have a plan for her, which is this. My ultimate plan would be to have my Darna signed by, well, most if not every Darna ever. So, hopefully mangyari yan. Ibig sabihin, mapapirma ko yung box dun sa mga Darna natin kasi, di ba, parang part na siya ng history. Tsaka part din ng history na, di ba, Philippine icon, Philippine comic book character, tapos ginawa siyang actual na Funko Pop. That's actually a big deal. So, if you're not aware of it, for me, for us na collectors, big deal yan. Kaya willing kaming pumila for that. Although, kudos sa Big Boys Toy Store. Honestly ha, sa lahat ng pila na mga events na naranasan ko, very organized yun. Yung pila, very organized yung mga tao. Alam nila yung gagawin nila. Tapos coordinated sila. Tapos walang mainitang ulo. Walang nagkakat ng lines. Again, disimulado yung proseso when we got this. And I hope ganoon pa rin for tomorrow and hanggang August 4. So you have until August the 4th, Sunday, to get this. If you're taking the civil service exam, pwede kayo humabol sa hapon, right after the exam, para lang magkaroon kayo ng ganito. Kasi again, limited run, tapos konti lang siya. So, hopefully makakuha kayo kasi, diba, this is part of our legacy. This is part of Pinoy pop culture. So, yan. That's her. And I guess that's it for now. And again, very personal. But if you're into toys, if you're into collecting, or if you want me to show you the rest of my toys and my collection, let me know sa comment. Alam ko yung iba nag-comment na sa last video. But now na medyo maglalaylo tayo sa civil service dahil katapos na ng exam, possibly I can make a few more personal stuff for you guys. So, but again, you can expect the usual content, educational videos, marami pang paparating. So, if you are interested dun sa mga ganun, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If it's not too much of an ask, please like this video as well. So, thanks guys for watching. As we always say dito sa team, never stop learning. Aja, aja. Kaya yan. I'll see you in the next video and bye for now. I-wish mo na si Darna.
Darna!